How do I know if my website is searchable on Google? People who own websites, whether they are running an online business or managing a hobby site, often check Google to see if their websites are appearing on search. Sometimes they find their website listed, sometimes they do not. Wondering why? How do you get your websites to appear in search? To check if Google knows your website, or if your website is indexed on Google at all, type site : followed by your website address into Google. Searching Google using site : in front of a domain specifies that you only want to see search results for that specific site. If your website appears here, it means Google knows that your website exists and has already put some of its pages in our index. What is indexing? Check out our video explaining how Google search works in the description below. Notice how your site is showing up on Google search. Is your description text precise and representative of what your website offers? If you don't see your website in a site : search, there could be a few problems with how your site is being crawled and indexed. To remedy this, you can submit your sitemap and URLs to Google Search Console, a tool for managing your online presence on Google Search. You can also test your URLs using the URL inspection tool. Now that you're verified, Google knows about your website. Check that it appears in the results of relevant searches like nice shirt, t-shirt store nearby, or buy t-shirt online. To learn more about Google Search Console and page indexing, check out the next episode.